Bill Gates, within 10 years, AI will replace many doctors and teachers.
Have you heard what Bill Gates said about AI potentially replacing many jobs in the next decade?
Yes, he mentioned that AI could make great medical advice and tutoring readily available.
Exactly. He believes that expertise will become common, which is quite a shift from what we see now.
It sounds profound and a bit scary too. The speed of these changes is incredible.
Right? Gates said there's no upper bound to how quickly these advancements are happening.
And some experts think this could lead to more jobs, while others warn about destabilization in the workforce.
Yes, Suleiman argues that while AI might enhance our intelligence temporarily, it will ultimately replace many jobs.
That makes me wonder how education will adapt to these changes. Will there still be a need for teachers?
That's a great question. Gates seems to think that the role of teachers might evolve, but not disappear entirely.
I hope so. After all, human interaction is essential in learning.
Absolutely. The balance between AI and human roles will be crucial as we move forward.
It's definitely a topic worth discussing more as these technologies develop.
Gates mentioned that AI could provide high-quality education for everyone, which is incredible.
But he also pointed out that there are valid concerns about AI spreading misinformation.
Exactly. He noted that today's AI programs can be prone to errors, which is definitely something to watch out for.
And he believes certain jobs, like playing baseball, will always be reserved for humans.
That's true. He sees a future where AI solves problems in manufacturing and agriculture.
I remember him saying that if he were to start a business today, it would be AI-centric.
Yes. He thinks young people have a fantastic opportunity in AI right now, which is motivating.
He predicted AI's potential years ago, especially after Deepmind's achievement in defeating humans at Go.
And he was surprised by how quickly OpenAI could create a model that excelled in a high school exam.
That's a huge leap in technology. It really shows how fast things are moving in AI.